Today we're going to be refreshing the outside of the car with the LCI tail lights. Not even they have the LED lights and they are brighter, but they also have different shape. And the car looks so much better. And I would say beefier. I just love the way how it looks.
So it should be easy to move from the before restyling to the retrofit. Don't look at that mess here. The lead right here, which is really easy to remove. We have our latch, which is we need to pop that little truss out. It's just super simple. Just press the knob down and pull it out. And then we have all of those rivets, which is the double action. You pull the top and then you completely pull the bottom or completely pull them out. Something like that. And voila. From the bottom we have one 10 mil. With the bracket, it looks like that. So now we can push the light out, and at the corner right here we have a little notch which need to be shifted down. From this perspective we can see actual connector. So the connector port going to be exactly the same, but the position is going to be different. Yeah, they are incredible, those guys. Before installing, make sure to clean out this area because, you know, while we're here. Let's pop the connector back. Slide the light back. Make sure you're not gonna cut the wire. Perfect. We can reinstall our bracket. Just make sure it goes into the slot. It's gonna go only one way. And that's it. Nice. Let's replace this piece now. Apparently this is the driver's side and we have a little door that's gonna look like material around right here. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, and very at the end, we have 3, a little knob behind the connector. So first you wanted to remove the connector, which is the push pin knob at the center, because the retrofit gonna have the different harness. And with that, you need to get one as well.
So the black box is sort of resistor. For retrofit, on when we go from non-LCI to LCI, we need to increase the resistance. Since the LED lights have much lower resistance, and in some cases we will end up with the faulty codes on the dash, or car would simply stop supplying the power to the part. The box has 4 bulbs inside that is kind of primitive resistor. Otherwise you will need to solder the load resistors. There are lots of info on the forums. There's another option that you can code FRM module, but that option only available for the cars that have been manufactured 2010 and up.
I would probably just remove the core, which is going to be easier. There are a little knob inside, and that's how you can remove it. But for right now, it's simply just pulling and pushing from the back and a little bit from the front, because it's kind of stuck. Okay. It's not much dirt around that spot, but as you can see, the rubber gasket, the weather seal. So that unit was removed from the 05, 12, 11 BMW. Okay. The only one thing it's going to be, just pop those 3 nuts back. Type it up. It really doesn't have to be tight. Let's pop the plug. Oh yeah. There's the cover. That's cover just slap straight on. OMG, look at that comparison. Sorry for that piece, I'll replace it without the complete setup, but that's definitely awesome.